Welcome to this video on the history of mathematics, where we will explore the fascinating Mayan number system. From early settlements in 2000 BCE to the Classic period, the Maya developed a highly sophisticated numerical framework driven by the need for complex calendar calculations and astronomy. The Maya used two systems, a complex priestly system for rituals and a logical, scalable BASE-20 common system. We will focus on the latter. The system is remarkably minimalist, relying on just three symbols: a dot for 1, a bar for 5, and a shell for 0. The Maya independently developed the concept of zero by at least 36 BCE. It served as an active mathematical placeholder, revolutionizing their numerical capabilities. Unlike our base 10 system, the Mayan system is Vigesimal, or BASE-20. This is believed to originate from counting both fingers and toes. Here is the foundation of their system, showing how numbers from 0 to 19 are constructed using dots and bars. The system follows two simple rules: no more than 4 dots in a single place, with 5 becoming a bar, and no more than 3 bars, with 4 bars converting to the next place value. The Mayan architecture is vertical, meaning place values increase from the ground up, unlike our horizontal left-to-right approach. To deconstruct 303, we see 3 bars representing 15 times 20, plus 3 dots, representing 3 times 1, totaling 303. The shell is vital as an active placeholder. Without it, the number 420 would be indistinguishable from 21. Similarly, for 4008, the shell serves to correctly position the values, ensuring each digit is calculated according to its vertical tier. For calendars, the Maya used an altered system. By using 360 instead of 400 for the third tier, they could mathematically align their numbers with the solar year. Ultimately, the Mayan number system was an elegant, efficient, and innovative technology designed to track time and measure the cosmos. Thank you for watching this video on the Mayan number system.